What's going on, everyone? Got a 2015 Lexus RX350. Today we're going to replace the remote key fob battery. So the first thing you're going to want to do is remove the emergency key from the bottom of the remote. So if we look at the bottom here, there's a switch right here that we're going to push over to the left, and then we're going to pull the emergency key out, okay? Just like this. Turn the remote over with the buttons facing down. You see this slot that's right here? Right here. Not the slot the emergency key goes in, but this other slot. There's a little slot right here. You take the flathead screwdriver, we're going to stick it in here kind of sideways like this. Okay, we're going to give it a little bit of a pry. Alright, and it'll pry the remote open. Take it. That's the back half. Now we're going to put our thumb on the controller like this. Okay, we're going to hold on to it because all this can fall out now. And I'm putting a little thumb on the battery, and we're just going to pry it right out. Okay, there's a little slot here at the bottom that you can just pry it right out. And I'll show you what size the battery is. Here's the battery. We're looking at a CR 1632 battery with a positive sign facing us. Let's put it in here, lock it in like that. If you need a battery, check the description box. I'll have the battery size and a link that takes you to Amazon where you can pick up a new battery. So have a look at that. If you need a new battery, we're just going to put this thing back together. All we got to do is just snap it back together like that. And you know you got it right when the emergency key goes in and it clicks and locks in. And you're all done. Hope the video was helpful, and if it was, appreciate it if you drop me a like, leave me a comment. Hope to see you again in another video.